Welcome back to all students. Coming to the next equipments of size reduction, that is so called as a end runner mill. When we talk about the end runner mill, it's very simple equipment which is work on the based on impaction and attrition, so called as a compression also. There are three purpose of main principle of size reduction being fulfilled by this end runner mill. So the major component of the end runner mill is nothing but stone like heavy material is being used to crush down the material. First is a impaction, second when the material is moving then cause the attrition, and one scraper provision is been there which will cause the scraping of the material. Further it will fall down into the bowl or material bed where the rotor is rotating along with that motor piston. It is nothing but simply you can say as a motor piston, where motor piston connected with the electric motor will continually moving one bowl, and this inside that steel motor there is a one piston, that is so called as a dumbbell, is rotating along with the side of this steel motor. When the materials are fed inside this chamber, they will come in contact with that wall of this steel motor, and the piston will cause the crushing, then we can say as a attrition, and will cause the size reduction of most of this particle or material which we have been fed into the bed. So it's considered as a mechanical motor piston. It consists of the steel motor which is fixed to a plate. The construction of motor is connected to the horizontal shaft bearing a pulley, so the plate with the motor can be rotated at high speed, and the piston is dumbbell shape and bottom of piston is flat. So ultimately we are getting all this material into desired shape and size. In fact, we can collect the material in such a extent from a part of bottom even when we want to collect the material of the desired size. There is a one provision for making the impaction of this motor piston. So piston is been inbuilt in both of the side, so the axle will rotate it along with that radial circumference, and each and every piston will come in contact with the steel motor, will cause compression, attrition and impaction, and will cause the breakdown of your particle into such extent. So the construction is very easy working. When we talk about that, the material which is being grounded is placed into the motor. The motor is made up of high grade stainless steel which can withheld somehow while the process of attrition, so it can easily squeeze out the material in such a extent the particles are graded into the different size. The motor revolve at the high speed and the piston is placed in the motor, and the revolving motor cause the piston to revolve it, and again it will be carried out the material which is going for size reduction. Within the same part the material is rotated. When all materials are getting reduced in size, that we can judge it and we can stop the operation. So material can also be collected and they are passed through a appropriate size of the sieve to get the powder of desired size. It is up to you to decide what size and grade of powder you require for the size reduction. So the working is very simple. We can define for this end runner mill. When we talk about the uses, it is highly suitable for fine grinding. Even material which are very large size of the cube, depending upon the size and capacity of the steel bed, we can have that material to be cut down into appropriate size. Nowadays this mill is been replaced by more efficient and sophisticated milling equipment, in terms of you can have the closed cabinet. Within that cabinet you can carry out your operation, so the dusting and other contaminant cannot be entered inside your part of size reduction. When we talk about the drawback, so this end runner mill is not suitable for drug which are in unbroken or slightly broken condition. This is what the limitation, where the material cannot be used, because ultimately this material is passing through the one steel bed, wall and the pestle. So if the material is already or broken in condition, or they are in slightly broken condition, sometime they will cause the slow down the process of size reduction, or it may be kind of wastage of energy or this time, sometime depend on the material which is going to be processed. There are few things which still remaining to discuss about this end runner mill, which is the working conditions and the type of material which we are dealing. The hard cake, even you can crush material which are made up of slightly crystalline material, which are made up of somehow the big cubes which can be easily converted into appropriate size of the powder. So that is what about the end runner mill, and we can use it at the time of moment when we require the size reduction of certain grade of powder materials or certain grade of cubes or undefined particle size of material, when we are going to be size reduce.